Hi, my name is Kenneth Berger and I handle truck accidents throughout the Myrtle Beach area and in fact across South Carolina. When it comes to Myrtle Beach, we got a lot of semi-trucks, big trucks, 18-wheelers that are out there on 17, 501 and a lot of points in between. The combination of beach traffic and heavy trucks has only increased the number of trucking accidents in the Myrtle Beach area, has only increased the risk to Myrtle Beach residents and Myrtle Beach visitors to be involved in an accident with one of these heavy trucks. Now, again, we've done a lot of these truck accidents. They're different than car wrecks for a number of reasons. The first reason is we know that, of course, trucks are bigger and can cause more harm. Because they can cause more harm, a lot of times we're dealing with higher medical bills, greater likelihood of permanent injuries, the greater need for ongoing or future medical care, and there's a certain, I believe, skill set that's really required, a certain knowledge base that's required to handle a trucking case. That ties directly into helping determine or working to determine the root cause, right? The underlying reasons that this truck hit you. You know, why did the truck run a red light? Why is it that this trucker crashed into you from behind? Were they fatigued? Were they under the influence? Was there something wrong with the braking system on the vehicle? Was the load that they were carrying too heavy? Trucks are regulated because we recognize that trucks, these heavy trucks, can cause such tremendous harm, can so easily cause death. There's an entire regulatory scheme, safety regulations that are in place to protect the public like you and me from getting hurt by an 18-wheeler. Oftentimes we find when a trucking accident occurs, a number of those safety regulations, a number of those safety laws were violated. And the truck companies and the truckers should be held accountable for that. I'll also tell you that truck wrecks are different from ordinary car accidents in that a lot of times they're more vigorously defended by the insurance companies, because the insurance companies realize that there's more to lose, that there's more risk, that there's a greater chance of a higher verdict or settlement. They a lot of times will take some measures that they might not in a car wreck. We found it's really important to gather evidence on the front end before some of that evidence starts disappearing. It's important to go out and do the vehicle inspections, get the experts, pull this black box data from the trucks before, again, that data starts to disappear, okay? So if you've been involved in any type of trucking accident in the Myrtle Beach area, what I strongly encourage is to speak with an attorney who's got experience handling these truck wreck cases. Again, we've done a number of them throughout South Carolina. At any given time, we're always working on different truck accident cases. We're very familiar with the experts that come from the way that truck companies are run, to collision reconstructionists, to what are known as conspicuity experts and human factors experts. There's just a lot that goes into making sure the truck driver and the trucking company are held fully accountable. If you have any questions whatsoever regarding one of these 18-wheeler or heavy truck cases, reach out to us today. You can contact us right here with the live chat version. You can fill out the contact form on the website, or you can pick up the phone and call us. Know that we look forward to hearing from you, to answering your questions, and to helping any way we can.